Vedantu JEE English channel. A lot of planning and processing have been going around, and I know that we all have not been very available for you guys. I know you have been asking for 2024 JEE. I know you have been asking for JEE Advanced. I know you have been asking for EAMCET, VIT, EEE and whatever, all the exam. But guess what? The planning is almost done. We have finalized the teachers. There are going to be some amazing, the most experienced teachers who have been a part of Vedantu. They are very soon going to be there with you. Just bear with us for maybe another 2 to 3 days. Everything will be sorted out for you, okay? Alright, now today we are going to talk about the top 10 most important chapters for EAMCET, which are really important, where you need to focus. Now there are certain students who always asking, ma'am, if I study just these 10 chapters, am I going to go through the EAMCET? Am I going to get the rank that I want to? No, that's a stupid question. What you need to do is you need to focus on these chapters a little more. When I tell you the top 10 most important chapters, I am not saying that you have to give away all the other chapters and only study these chapters. I am asking you to focus more on these chapters and do all of them together. Alright everybody, does that make sense? Does that make sense to you all? Yes? Now quickly go, call up your friends. I'm your master teacher Nabamita and this is your Vedantu JEE English channel, which you need to like, share and subscribe if you are very excited for the new and upcoming teachers who are going to be here and who are going to help you with all the exams that you have always wanted and everything in English. Okay? Alright everybody, I'm gonna be there obviously. Right? There will also be more teachers. Okay? Now moving on, what we understand about EAMCET exam is, and what we have seen from the previous year questions is that, okay, what we have seen is that physical chemistry has a 30% of weightage, okay, physical chemistry has 30% of weightage, right everybody? Organic chemistry has, okay, organic chemistry has 35%. And inorganic chemistry, my dear students, have 35%. Okay. Now, in the following days, I will be doing some sessions on organic and I will be doing some sessions on inorganic as well. So, bear with me, be there with the channel. I will definitely make sure that you are going through the preparation as you want. Okay. Alright. Now, atomic structure and chemical bonding has a weightage of 8%. Okay. 8% of your question paper will be from atomic structure and chemical bonding. So we are going to focus on this chapter and I will be taking you through this chapter. Okay. Alright everybody. Moving on, solutions have 7%. I will again take you through solutions. I do have some questions already with me. We will do them again so that, you know what, in fact these 3 chapters, okay, atomic structure, chemical bonding and solutions, we will be doing it by tomorrow. By tomorrow, we will be doing these 3 chapters. If screen is not clear, sweetheart, please just change the advanced mode, okay? Change it in the advanced mode, you will be able to see. I have also joined as a student and I can see myself, okay? Alright, I will be solving. Yes, I will be solving luxury Hitler. Like I told you, I'm so sorry. Actually, it took me a lot of time to plan the things right for you, okay? I was sitting with our founders, I was sitting with a lot of, supervisors in Vedantu, and we were figuring out that which teacher will be the best to bring in, which teachers should we bring in. And things are almost done, and that is why I haven't been very available, okay? Yes, my voice is low because I'm not using the microphone. If I use the microphone, there will be a noise, okay? Alright? Yes, Priyansh, everything. We will be sorting it out. You don't worry, okay? You don't worry. We will make sure that all of these is going to, all of these things are sorted for you. Anyway, coming back to EAMCET, guys. Thermodynamics is just 4%, gaseous and liquid state is 4%, okay, solid state is just 3%, chemical kinetics just 3%, surface chemistry, measurements in chemistry and mole concept. These are 1%, that means together they will only be having one question from each of them, okay. Alright everybody, moving on, P block elements group 14, 15 and 17. D block elements group 13, group 18 and group 17. From here 9% of the question will come. So tomorrow we are going to do 2 sessions, okay. One for inorganic, these questions, and one for physical chemistry, atomic structure, chemical bonding and solutions, okay. So these 2 sessions we will be handling tomorrow and we are going to complete the majority weightage of our chapters. Is that okay? Is that okay, everybody? Yes? Make sense, guys? Make sense? Yes. Of course, you should do organic also. Classification of elements and periodicity in property again has a higher weightage than the rest of the chapters. It has 5% questions, okay? Alright, hydrocarbon, as you can see, hydrocarbon is from organic chemistry, which means that 4% of your, yes, 4% of the questions are from hydrocarbon. Alkali and alkaline earth metal, S block elements is 2%, metals and metallurgy 2%, F block elements 2%, and coordination compound is just 1%. However, coordination compound, my dear student, I have already recorded the video, so I suggest that you go back and check it out. For 1%, it does not really make sense for us to work really hard and me taking a session completely for coordination compounds, right? So instead, tomorrow I have already scheduled a top 10 organic questions, but apart from that, I plan to do this. I plan to do P block elements, and I also plan on doing atomic structure and chemical bonding. I am going to make sure that my questions are absolutely on point. Yes, I will be making sure that the content is absolutely available and done by today. And tomorrow we will do these 3 sessions in this channel. So be there, everybody. Let's rock our chemistry exam at least. Okay. All right. Let's rock our chemistry exam at least. Now for organic chemistry, chapter wise weightage, let me tell you, carboxylic acid has 3% of the question, polymers 3%, aldehydes and ketones 2%, carbohydrate 2%, haloarenes 2%, haloalkenes 2%, alcohols 2%, ethers 1%, phenols, basic concept, aromatic compounds, amines, amino acid and proteins, all of them together are 1%. Okay. Alright, so I think from here, what you can understand is some topics maybe you can skip also, right? Some topics maybe you can also skip, right? Yes, if at all you want to. If you really want to be a topper and if you want to complete all of these, then definitely, sure, why not? You should be able to do it. But otherwise, let's just say that if you want to skip any of the topics, you can. By looking at the 1% marks, you can. Whichever you think is a little too much. I mean, if it was for me, I would have definitely given up on amines. I would have given up on amines because I feel like the chapter is too huge for me to be able to get just for 1%, right? Not saying you should, but if I was a student, then I must have done that. All in one P block question, which type question is asked, equation or problem? Just wait for one more day, bacha. Tomorrow we are going to rock the P block, D block, F block, all of it. Okay, tomorrow we will do a lot of questions on P block, D and F block. Just be there in the channel. I promise we will do a lot of questions so that you can ace your inorganic part. Okay, alright. Now, what are the chapters that you should not skip at all, from where you can get the maximum marks? That is chemical bonding, do not skip at all. Thermodynamics, no way you are skipping. P block, do not skip at all. Solution and atomic structure. Alright, yes, so these are the things that we are going to take a look at. Alright, yes, gamers, this is for both the states. Okay, this is for both the states. Indira, currently I am not sure about it, bacha. How about, I have told you about a tool, right? Yes, in Vedantu there is a tool called V-Club, yeah? Try it out. You can see all the counseling, parts of your, this thing, JOSA counseling, whatever happens, all the counseling things that you can figure out, your ranking, your percentile, everything you can sort it out there. And that is more accurate than me telling you which college you can get, okay? So can you please do that? MB Gaming, Maths and Physics, I will not be handled. However, let me try if I can bring you certain questions. But I can guarantee that I will not be able to teach you. Okay, I will not be able to teach you. I will have to learn them and I'll have to come and teach you. Is that okay? Does that work? If at all you really need, okay? But I would still suggest that you can do it from Vedantu Telugu channel, where there are teachers who already know physics and mathematics. I do not know. I do not know. Okay, just the important topics you want, that I will tell you. Okay, important topics if you want for maths and physics, that I'll tell you about it, but tomorrow. Okay, right now I don't have the research. Okay, but I can give you some of the important questions if you want. I can take it from Rama ma'am and I can ask her to share it with me and I can give it to you. Okay, if at all you want. Now, from organic, which are the chapters that you are not supposed to give it up, is aldehyde ketone acids, polymers, periodic table, states of matter, and hydrocarbons. Obviously, not all of them are organic. Periodic table is definitely an inorganic chapter, but aldehyde ketone acids, polymers, hydrocarbons, these three chapters don't let go of. Okay. Alright, and with this note, everybody, thank you so much. All in one, like I just told you. Can you wait till tomorrow? Tomorrow we will be doing a session and I will make sure that we cover all of it. Is that okay? Is that okay? You want repeated question bank for physics and mathematics. Sai Teja, I will see what I can do. Okay, I can't promise. I can't really promise because you know I do not know physics and mathematics, right? I do not know. Also, for me it will be very difficult. But I will see what I can do, okay? Can't really promise anything. Yes, maths and physics teacher will also be joining Luxury Hitler. That's what I told you right in the beginning, that a lot of my time had been, taken in the planning processing of this channel. Yes, what should we plan ahead for this channel? But everything is done, almost done, and we are going to bring in new teachers. They are going to be here. Don't worry about it, okay? Don't worry about it. This channel is not going to stop. This channel, however it was, it's definitely going to be far better than what it was. Okay? Alright, we will try our best. That's what we can definitely try. Right? Yes, there will be teachers. Everything is sorted. Just give me another 2 to 3 days. Your physics and maths teacher will also be here. Don't worry about it. Okay? With this note, tara bye-bye. Tara bye-bye. I'll see you all very soon. Okay? I'll see you all very soon. Tomorrow we're going to have 3 sessions, my dear students. 3 sessions, okay? So I'm going to be available in this channel and I need you all to be available too. So, tara bye-bye. See ya.